Welcome to the video tutorial of principal component analysis in R. Let's have a quick look what is a principal component analysis from Wikipedia. It's actually dimensionality reduction of much sacrificing its accuracy from some independent variables. So I let you study to do detail. Let's go to the program in our tutorial. I wrote a script for principal component analysis from some of the data of my field studies. So let's first have a quick look to the field data. It's actually the chemical composition of the river flow. I just put it as A, B, C, D, but it's silica sulfate and the ion composition of the water derived from the spectrophotometric device. So this is how the data looks like. Now let's call the table data. Oops, I have to select the whole line. So the data in the R framework looks like that. It's the same data. So now what we have to do, PRCOMP. It's the inbuilt function for principal component analysis. There are another one called DoD, but I prefer to use principal component PRComp. So in this case you can have a rotation of the vectors. So I'll explain more in another video how to do. So this one is a script plot. And so you can see the variance is explained with the first axis and then second axis, third axis from the independent components, so that the first component is explained quite a lot. So if you see the summary statistics, you can see that the standard deviation and also the proportion of the variance is explained with the components, and the first component is 83%, and the cumulative proportion of variance first two axes goes to 94%. So we can say that the first two, we can do the remaining analysis based on the first two component. Now we can do some kind of biplot. Biplot means we can see the correlation through visualization, how they are correlated. So it would be looking something like that. So here in this script we can see that the components of A, C, D, E, they are more or less correlated in a similar fashion, but the only is B in the another. That means B is not well correlated with the other components. So that's actually a very basic way of explaining the principal component analysis, and in the next videos I'll explain more. Thanks for watching.